So this is where we're staying. This is Posada Arco Iris. I think I'm saying that right. I probably butchered it. It is back behind the Argentinian grill. It's early in the morning, so they're getting ready for the day. Just do a quick tour here. Not sure what this is up here. There's tables and chairs up there. Might be part of the restaurant. Got the bathrooms there. Some units here. This is the main office. Hey, kitty kitty. Hi. The first time I've seen you. Little black kitty today. I haven't seen this one. Hello. Hello. Yes. Oh my goodness. Want to come up here with me? I think I've got a friend. Come on. Yeah. Come on. Here's more of the units here. Well, come on. Yeah. I don't know if you can hear him. Come on. We can hear the sounds of the jungle back here. I'm gonna walk all the way back here, but our room is actually to the left here. That is our room right there, and I'll take you in it in just a moment. Beautiful tree. This is the end here. That's just where the workers go and do things. Here comes my kitten. Okay, so let's go in the room. Got a little hammock here. This is just the standard room with air conditioning, so this is nothing fancy. We did ask for a coffee maker. The bathroom here. Got a little view of the jungle, kind of. And that is really it. Just basic, nice place to lay our heads at night while we explore Roatan.